Hello traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. So guys, I'm just going to make a quick video where I'm going to show that I have taken the sell position on gold and on this sell signal, and the previously sell signal was here, so I have set up the stop loss here. Okay, right now you can see that I am getting something like 253, 248, something like this on the trade. So why I have taken this sell signal? That was very simple, that if we look at the previous trend, it suddenly went up today on gold on the lower time frames, and then it was a good time to enter into the sell positions. Okay, so that's why I have taken this advantage, and now I'm going to close this trade. So 270. okay, I'm done. Okay, so the profit is added. Okay, so it's very simple guys to trade using this no repaint indicator. This indicator does not repaint in any case. Let me show you on the 1 hour picture that how it looks like. Okay, like on the 1 hour we have the sell signal, and look here on the big drop as well we had the sell signal. And if you consult the higher time frames, like here that on the daily chart we have the sell signal on gold, and now if we talk about the latest signal that is received on the gold is the buy signal. So it means that this indicator is giving you very accurate results. Look at here, the buy, the sell, and again into the buy, and look from here itself, and this is the daily time frame. So guys, get the best advantage from using this indicator. Book your copy today, and if you want to get this indicator, you can contact on email. You can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.